Hey guys, Chris from 3 Day Weekend. I'm back with that 2014 Chevy Cruze, the star of so many videos on here so far. And I found something else wrong with it. See that right there? That is supposed to be attached up here around that bulb, and it's not. That's no good. I don't like it. I'm gonna replace it. And then I thought, it's just one, right? No, it's both. Which is fine. If you replace one headlight, you replace them both. So I've got some new ones in, and we're gonna change them out today. Here's a new one. Got them on eBay, really weren't that expensive. So it doesn't look like it's held in by too much. One clip that's gonna be way up under the hood. A couple of screws down underneath. I don't know, I might have to pull the bumper. Ooh, I might have to pull the bumper. We'll see. So I've looked at it pretty close, and I am gonna have to pull the bumper. There is a screw. It's gonna be right about in this region right here. Right behind the bumper, so I'm gonna pop that off. It shouldn't be too awful. There's a little Torx screws here, all up underneath the front. A few more up in this side. And then on top, we've got a bolt here, and some of these push pins. And then that whole front clip should come off. Now these little Torx screws, they are Torx 20. Found another one right there. Well, now we know why they were so cheap on eBay. Look at this line. It doesn't even fit in there. It's sticking high there. Then it's low here. No amount of adjusting can get that in. Then there's a gap there. There's no adjustment up and down there. Look at that line. Up to a huge gap. Versus the factory side, this is even all the way up here. This is flush. Actually, it's in just a little bit. And this line is perfect down there. Pretty square. Not lined up at all. Well, that's a bummer. I'm gonna take that one back out and send it back. Not good enough. Also, let me show you this. This is what they have for the parking lot, right? Some sort of adapter that plugs in. This is the factory one. This is a different kind of bulb here than what they have done in here. This is like an old school turn signal bulb, the twist and pull kind. I don't like that, because now anytime we go to buy a bulb, you'll get the one you think it is, and it'll be the wrong one. See, this one just slides around in there. Why couldn't they have made that the same? Not impressed. So check this out. I got the original bulb and the deflector was hanging right there, right? So I just knocked it around inside until it was lined up right here. And then I reached up with my needle nose pliers and crunched it. And it was so brittle, it fell out. It just disintegrated and fell out in pieces. I think that's gonna look just fine. It won't look broken. The light's gonna be right there. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna try to do this one so you can see. Oh, yep, there it goes. Right down over that hole. Then I just reach it up through the bottom. Where is it? Oh, over here. With the nail nose. And broke it into pieces. Pieces are already starting to come out. Oh, I almost had it. It's like a game. Oh, well, I got it. So I got a good grip on it. Look at it, shatters. Pull that piece out. And that piece should fall out. Oh. Unless I lose it. There it goes. A little more shaking. Get the dust out. That's it. It's gone. It's beautiful. I'm gonna put it back in. We are done. Not exactly the fix I was looking for, but it'll be fine. And I just realized I'm not done. I didn't put the lights back in. Oh, stand by. Now we're done. Got the bulbs in there. It's just missing the little deflector thing, but it's not hanging around, bouncing around all down here anymore. Looks good. So I guess in this video we have two different options. You can either pop those things out, or you can replace headlights. Whatever you want to do. So, I'm going to call this good. Alright, well if that helped you out, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you next time on 3-Day Weekend.